Hello, Governor.
What's up, guys? It's Vid, and today we're gonna be making GFUEL into gelatin. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you the process that we're actually gonna be going through to get the GFUEL gelatin going. We're using Nox gelatin mix, which is going to be the base for every single one of the flavors that we're gonna be trying throughout this series. We have 19 flavors out of the very large collection of what GFUEL actually has. So we're gonna be trying all 19 of these throughout the entire series. So make sure, hit that notification button, hit that sub button if you are new, and smack that like button for more GFUEL content. So each one of the containers we're using are these cool little plastic containers. There's 2 fluid ounces in each one of these. We're gonna be filling them probably about to 1 to 1.5 ounces in each one. That's what we've measured out, and that's what we're gonna be having in each one of the Jello shots. Okay, guys, so the first big step is that we're gonna be taking every single one of these gelatin packets, we're gonna be pouring them into a container, and we're gonna be putting them on the stove so that we can get this boiling so we can actually start making some Jello.
Hello, Governor.
Hello, Governor. All right, so we have pink lemonade for our flavor today. We're gonna be trying pink lemonade gelatin GFUEL. I don't have an actual tub of this one anymore. I had one, I finished it. So we are now just having this in the, I have one of these. I got one of these little to-go packs. So as you can see, it's done a pretty good job of staying intact as a flavor. If you can see it well on the camera. The bottom has a little small layer of sediment, which I'm a little concerned about, but I'm also gonna point out because we have a couple of these packets that we've been trying, but these packets have like different grain sizes than the ones in the actual tubs, which I don't understand why. Maybe it's because it's like it's in this rather than the plastic tub with the, you know what I mean? Maybe that's why, but I don't know.
I think I have like a full layer.
No, that's what I'm saying. No, there's like a full layer of this, and I whisked this up well because I saw how big the grains are. But I'm gonna hold.
It smells like nothing.
Yeah, I get nothing from it. I got schnoz, man. I got a nose. All right, I got schnoz. I can't smell anything with this thing. Here we go. Pink lemonade GFUEL gelatin. Let's get it. Yeah, definitely a layer on the bottom there. Well,
I feel like I'm tasting more powder than other ones, but I like it.
You definitely, wow.
It tastes like a pink lemonade drink.
It tastes like pink lemonade. Like,
Pink lemonade.
I know, it is pink lemonade. But you have to understand, we're concerned that the reason why we're doing this is because we're trying to see if the flavor actually comes out of the gelatin. I don't really taste gelatin in this.
Yeah,
I really honestly taste the GFUEL. Like, what a great party idea these things are. These are really like a great thing, like having people over, like, hey guys, need some energy? Look, I got some energy shots, and it's like these little gelatin things.
You could even add alcohol to it.
I don't like having a heart attack, so I don't like doing this way out.
Not for me personally. Oh, me personally.
But if
I
you,
just had a big chunk.
I got good. That's good.
I had a big chunk of.
I like sour, so I'm okay with that. I got a big chunk of something sour.
I'm like eating powder.
Yeah, there's a whole layer on the bottom of powder.
It's definitely good.
This ranks higher than some of the other ones we've tried. If you want to see some of those other ones we've tried, check out the video at the end of this video, the little link that comes up. And make sure you turn on post notifications and smack that sub button if you are new, because honestly, this is a great series that we're doing. I think a lot more people need to try Jello GFUEL.
Yeah.
I think that this is definitely something that's really unique. And during the summertime, spring, summer, like this is like a super awesome snack. Just to have, imagine making like a ton of these. You're gaming, you have them in your fridge, and you're like, I want some Jello. Like make like 4
Little
ounces instead of 1
snacks
ounce.
rather than a drink. It's nice.
That's pretty good. G Fuel, giving you ideas. Package that crap. You're working with Walmart right now anyway, might as well. But, all right guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, it's a blessing having you guys here. This is freaking awesome. I'm loving this. And we will see you on the next one.
Peace.